Looking to upgrade your kitchen with the perfect blend of technology and convenience? Smart pressure cookers are game changers, combining multiple appliances into one powerful device while offering app connectivity, guided recipes, and advanced safety features. Here's our list of the top 5 best smart pressure cookers that make cooking faster, safer, and smarter than ever. Number 1. COSORI 6 Quarts Pressure Cooker. The COSORI 6 Quarts Pressure Cooker is a versatile kitchen essential that replaces multiple appliances in one sleek design. With 9 machines in one, it handles everything from pressure cooking, rice, and steaming to slow cooking, sautéing, fermenting, and even sous vide. Whether you're preparing hearty stews, tender meats, or healthy grains, this cooker makes mealtime effortless. Safety and convenience are at the heart of its design. The safer venting system keeps your hands away from the steam release, while the 30 degrees angled steam release makes pressure release smoother and more controlled. Cleanup is equally stress-free thanks to its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel housing, dishwasher-safe lid, pot, and accessories. The easy lid locking system with color-coded alignment dots makes setup simple, even for beginners. Equipped with 12 advanced safety features, including a double-layer anti-scalding lid and overheat protection, you can cook with confidence. The real-time progress bar adds a modern touch, letting you track your meal at a glance. Its ceramic-coated, non-stick inner pot ensures durability and healthier cooking, while the anti-spin design keeps the pot steady when stirring or sautéing. Plus, with included recipes and app access, inspiration is always at your fingertips. Number 2. COMFEE 9-in 1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The COMFEE 9-in 1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal prep while offering incredible versatility. With 9 functions in one, it works as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg maker, and food warmer. This all-in-one design means fewer gadgets cluttering your kitchen and more convenience in your daily cooking routine. One of its standout features is the 14 programmable presets, which let you whip up a wide range of dishes, from tender meats and flavorful broths to beans, oatmeal, and even desserts, with just a press of a button. The professional safety features, including overheat protection, automatic pressure release, and a secure lid lock, provide peace of mind while you cook. The 24-hour intelligent delay timer makes it easy to plan ahead, so you can enjoy warm, freshly cooked meals exactly when you want them. Plus, the COMFEE pressure cooker comes with abundant accessories, including a spoon, ladle, condensation cup, measuring cup, steam rack, and power cord, giving you everything you need right out of the box. Perfect for busy households, it's a reliable partner for effortless, delicious meal. Number 3. Cuckoo Electric Pressure Cooker. The Cuckoo Electric Pressure Cooker is a smart, space-saving solution that combines power, versatility, and trusted craftsmanship. Designed to replace 8 kitchen appliances in one, it functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, food warmer, yogurt maker, sous vide machine, and sauté pan. With this all-in-one design, you can easily prepare a wide range of meals while keeping your countertop clutter-free. Efficiency meets innovation with its modern LED touchscreen, preset timer, and a 2-language voice guide, English and Chinese, making operation simple and accessible. Cooking is up to 70% faster than stovetop methods, helping you save time while still delivering flavorful, tender dishes. Built with premium quality materials, the 5-quart, 2-ply non-stick inner pot is made of stainless steel and aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution, durability, and easy cleaning. The safe steam release system quietly handles high pressure, up to 26 psi, locking in flavor while keeping cooking secure and stress-free. As a trusted Korean brand with over 40 years of expertise, Cuckoo guarantees long-lasting reliability. Each unit includes useful accessories like a rice spatula, measuring cup, detachable lid, steam plate, recipe book, and manual, everything you need for effortless cooking. Number 4. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a high-tech multi-cooker that brings innovation and convenience straight to your kitchen. Designed with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it pairs seamlessly with the Chef IQ app, giving you access to hundreds of guided cooking recipes, step-by-step videos, and ingredient-specific presets. You can even control and monitor your cooker directly from your phone, making cooking more interactive and stress-free. One of its most impressive features is the built-in smart scale. With 4 precision sensors, it measures ingredients directly in the pot and calculates the exact amount of liquid needed for perfect results, no measuring cups required. Cooking has never been easier or cleaner. Safety is prioritized with the auto pressure release system, offering 3 release methods: quick, pulse, and natural, so steam is handled automatically and safely. Combined with guess-free presets on both the cooker and app, you'll always achieve consistent, delicious meals. The Chef IQ also evolves over time with wireless firmware updates, ensuring it stays up to date with the latest cooking features and improvements. Complete with a steamer rack and basket, it's perfect for everything from vegetables to proteins, making it the ultimate all-in-one smart cooker. Number 5. Presto Stainless Steel Electric Pressure Cooker. The Presto Stainless Steel Electric Pressure Cooker is a groundbreaking appliance designed to make home canning safer, easier, and more convenient than ever. As the first digital canner, it automates both pressure canning and water bath canning, allowing you to preserve your favorite foods right in your kitchen with confidence. Approved by the USDA for pressure canning, this digital canner safely processes low-acid foods such as meat, poultry, fish, and vegetables without the need for altitude adjustments. Its dual functionality also lets you water bath high-acid foods like fruits, jams, jellies, and salsa, giving you an all-in-one tool for year-round food preservation. The easy-to-use digital interface guides you step by step, while an intuitive control knob and bright LED display icons make selecting settings simple and stress-free. Every stage of the process is clearly illuminated, so even beginners can preserve food with ease. For added peace of mind, the Presto Canner includes 10 advanced safety features, such as a cover locking system and an innovative sensor that automatically maintains the correct temperature, ensuring every jar is perfectly sealed and preserved.